Hello IT World and hello 1C Skills Campers. Good day to all 1C Skills Camp 2024 participants, mentors, partners, and organizers. Welcome to #Skills Camp to the Professionals, the 1C Skills Camp 2024 third stage awarding ceremony. Before we begin, we would like to extend our gratitude to our organizers, 1C Company and Shift 101, as well as our partners, 1C Vietnam, Innova Academy Egypt, 1CI Indonesia, RISE South Africa, SINA Colombia, and AJC Dev Morocco. In today's program, we will announce the winners of the third stage and the highlight who will make it in the Professionals Championship 2024 in St. Petersburg, Russia. Before we proceed to the first part of our program, to share his 1C Skills Camp and the Professionals experience, here is the 2023 Professionals Championship medalist, Mr. Isaac Grael Balingin.
Please allow me to share with you my 1C Skills Camp journey. With this event, I was able to participate both in team and individual categories and achieving good results, from second place to achieving first place, and being able to represent my country in 1C Skills Camp, University Skills, and World Skills online-friendly competitions. With all the skills I have gained in the previous editions, I can say that the highlights are my participations in the Professionals Championship 2023, where I had a deeper learning with 1C company management and placed third in the international ranking. And another one is the hackathon, where I was able to fulfill my dream of being a 1C junior software developer. You too can level up your IT career. What you need to do is participate in the 1C Skills Camp. We hope to see you in the next edition. And now to provide an analysis of the third stage task and give us an insight of the upcoming The Professionals Championship, please welcome Mr. Anton Chipkovsky, our 1C Skills Camp Chief Mentor from 1C Company.
Hello there, my name is Tony, I am a Chief Mentor and Course Developer in 1C. I am here to congratulate you with the ending of our Skills Camp 2024, and also I'd like to congratulate you with the final task of the whole Skills Camp and also BRICS 2024 Championship. This is the real task that some of the participants have completed in Kazan during the BRICS Championships. And also, as the author of the task, I'd like to present you some keynotes for your future work as a 1C developer. As a 1C developer, first of all, and the main, you will work with standard configuration, and one of them is company management. Then, in that case, you will need to upgrade these standard configurations. So this is a real task, a small one but real, about upgrading the standard company management functionality. First of all, I'd like to share with you some keynotes about using the standard functionality. For example, speaking about data upload. If we check some files for data upload, we can see that there are several attributes that are not included into the standard catalog products. For example, manufacturer, series number, maybe sale price, etc. What can we see if we open the products catalog? Let's open our product, this one. Okay, first we can see the price. Speaking about prices, we can add them here using the standard functionality, and also we can create a new price using its new type. You see, accounting price, retail price, we can create a new price type, and also we can work with it via code. Next, speaking about serial number, We can use code for this purpose, but if we do not want to use code, we can add an additional attribute, and we also can work via code with it. This is the standard functionality of any standard configuration. So we discussed prices, we discussed code, and also balances. When you post the income document, yes, you will see that will be the quantity will be in balance. Speaking about the manufacturer, you see vendor, and also you could add manufacturer if you include the manufacturing functionality in the settings. Here are all of these attributes can be added without adding any new attribute to the standard configuration. The second part is most of you try to work with the company management changing it, but don't forget that you need to work with extensions. You actually need to work with extensions. Here they are. You had to create a new extension, add your prefix, and work with it from here, not touching the main configuration. This will add you almost 3% of the final score. Okay. The next thing, some of you might have noticed that, for example, for the products catalog, there is where is it? There is a standard functionality to upload some data. Here it is, yes. Import data from Excel. As you can see, this is the standard subsystem library. I've told you that you should not use it and that you need to create in the extension your own data processor to upload data. You can't use this standard one just for this task. Okay? You had to create your own one. Some of you try to use this standard one. Don't. We will speak about standard subsystem library a little bit later. And the final thing I wanted to discuss with you is that most of you couldn't make the connection, data exchange between the mobile and the actually desktop application. So first of all, this is the course, OneC Enterprise Mobile Developer. This course was available to you. Here you can see that we can install the web server, set up the web server, etc, etc. And here we can use all the post and get methods to actually work with our mobile application. The Wi-Fi network was open to you, and everything you needed is to use the proper methods. That is all. I'm very surprised many of you couldn't set up the data exchange. So try to work with the course and train yourself for better data exchange. For example, just to try, you could set up the small data exchange, sending like some little message, etc, etc, and then you could actually work with a bigger number of data. That is all for now. Thank you for your attention, and I'm waiting to prepare you for the professionals in St. Petersburg, some of you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Tony. to announce the results of the BRICS Plus Future Skills and Tech Challenge, the third stage, and the highlight of our program, the schedule and selected participant for the Professionals Championship 2024, please welcome Mr. Evgeny Leshenka, our 1C Skills Camp Project Manager from 1C Company.
Greetings to all participants of 1C Skills Camp 2024. So, our event is coming to an end, and I want to thank everyone who stayed with us throughout all stages. Let me remind you what the schedule was for the third stage of the camp. At this stage, the main focus was on studying the standard solution 1C company management, and the participants had to master both standard processes and method of modifying them using the 1C enterprise platform. At the end, the participants completed a final task to modify a standard solution. Some of participants completed the task at the BRICS Championship in Kazan, while the remaining participants received the same task a little later and had to complete it at home. And then we compared the results of the participants, which we will talk about a little later. But now I would like to tell you how the BRICS Championship went in Kazan. Among the participants of the championship in the business process automation competency were our students 1C Skills Camp 2024, as well as participants who passed the international selections in Russia and China. Participants were divided into two tracks, professional and junior, and within 3 competition days had to complete their project and demonstrate it to experts. As a result, the first place among the professional track was taken by Roman Sergeyev from Russia, and then 2 participants from 1C Skills Camp. The silver medal was awarded to Christopher Ordonez from Colombia, and the bronze to Huyen T. Ngoc from Vietnam. Congratulations, our guys, on these outstanding results! In the junior track, the first place was taken by the participants from China, Xu Pingjing, second place Issa El Hawa from Morocco, and third place Moses Maluleke from South Africa. We also congratulate our participants in the junior track. And, of course, our congratulations to all the guys who completed the championship in this: Camila Navarro from El Salvador, Trisha Nicole from the Philippines. And thanks to our mentors, Roberta Guerrero from El Salvador, Alexandra Karabitsina from Peru, Karim El Hawa from Morocco, and Ricardo Enriquez from the Philippines. I hope this championship will give a big boost in the development of training program of 1C platform, and even more participants and countries will join us for the next competition. Well, now we move on to announcing the winner of the third stage of our camp. So the overall best results was shown by Christopher Damian Ordonez from Colombia. Second results go to Trisha Nicole from the Philippines. And the third results, Camila Abigail Navarro from El Salvador. Congratulations to the winners of the third stage of the camp, who will receive additional cash prizes for the results achieved. I would like to draw the attention of all winners of the second and third stages of the camp. These prizes will be transferred once during November of this year. We will notify you individually. Finally, the final stage of the current 1C Skills Camp will be another international championship, the Professionals, which will be held in this year in St. Petersburg in the end of November. Let me remind you the rules for selecting participants. We take into account the results of the completed final task of the first, second and third stages of our camp, and participants of the BRICS Championship do not participate in the selection. And at the end, only one candidate was selected for the championship in St. Petersburg, and that was David Farid Herrera from Colombia. We congratulate David and will support him in his preparation for the championship, as the task will be much more difficult compared to what has been done before. Nevertheless, I am sure that it will be a memorable journey. So, our Skills Camp 2024 is coming to an end. All the best participants have been determined. And it is a little sad that we are parting with you. But I would like to thank our partners, mentors, organizers and all the students once again for the opportunity to hold this large-scale event. And I would like to invite you to participate in our next events. Follow the information in our social networks and in our newsletters. Thank you all very much. Stay in touch.
Thank you, Mr. Eugene, and thank you, IT World 1C Skills Campers and everyone for your time. Congratulations to our winners of the BRICS Plus Future Skills and Tech Challenge and the third stage, and good luck to our 1C Skills Camp participant in the Professionals Championship 2024. Please visit our official website 1cskills.com to know more about the 1C Skills Camp program. Once again, special thanks to our organizers 1C Company and Shift 101, our partners 1C Vietnam, Innova Academy Egypt, 1CI Indonesia, RISE South Africa, SINA Colombia, and AJC Dev Morocco, and most especially to our participants and mentors. This has been #Skills Camp to the Professionals, the 1C Skills Camp 2024 third stage awarding ceremony. Take care and see you in this edition's final program, #Skills Camp Wrap Up, the 1C Skills Camp 2024 Journey.